So it's my great pleasure to introduce to you from Massachusetts, Dr. Patti Giuliano.
Hi, everybody. What a nice introduction. I appreciate that. You know, I hear some people talk about struggling, and the last presenter was talking about that. And I've struggled in other ways with health issues and things, but starting a practice, starting 2 practices, and practicing chiropractic has felt, I can say now, it feels easy from where I am now, yet I worked my butt off. I worked hard to allow that easiness to happen, and I feel blessed that I was given the opportunity to actually be a chiropractor. I couldn't think of anything else I would want to do. Children are very impressionable. Peter and I knew this, and when we had before we had our children, we had conversations about how we would be around them, how we would bring them up, how we would talk to them, what we would infuse in them, implant in them with our words and our actions. And something that we did from early on, from the moment they were born, we would whisper, "You have a strong body. You have a healthy body. Your body knows how to heal you. You have a strong body. You have a healthy body. The life inside you knows how to heal you." And we imprinted that in our children so abundantly that when Christopher, our son, was 2 years old, we had moved into our new home office, and I was standing on one side of the dining room, and the stairs going up to the 2nd floor were there, and I saw Christopher standing up at the top step. And I saw him go like this, and I stopped breathing, and I watched him go flying down the stairs. And he landed on the bottom, and I went running up to him. I picked him up, and I said, and he's crying. I said, "Christopher, it's gonna be okay. Mommy's here." And Christopher said, "That's okay, Mommy. My body will heal me." If you learn nothing else from my talk, take that. Use that as a takeaway for the kids in your practice. It is so important for them to hear that because they are not hearing that from anyone else, including their parents, unless you train their parents to do that. And not only for kids, but think about us. It's really important for us to do that for us. That we don't say, "Oh, I'm sick, I'm hurting, I need an adjustment is going to fix me." I never wanted our children to think that an adjustment was something you did to fix anything or to heal anything. That would be contraindicating to what I taught them about you have a smart body, you have a healthy body, your body knows how to heal you. It does. And then we taught them all the things they needed to do to take care of their body. And that's exactly what we do in our practice. We take care of our people the way we took care of our children. We imprint and implant upon them. You have an innate intelligence within you that knows better than I, yet there are interferences to its expression, and a subluxation can block the communication system. Your brain can't talk to your body can't talk to your brain, and it's really important to keep that clear, and then you allow whatever comes about. Was anybody in listening to Donnie just before lunch? Raise hands. And he talks about, thank you, he talks about it's more than the symptom, it's more than that person. It's about helping that person evolve through whatever their destiny is. And that pain and symptoms, they're ways that we learn about ourselves. And I know many of you have been through health issues. I've been through health issues. And I get through it, and I look at it as an exploration of, wow, wow, this pain is here and the problem's here, and and you get to experience so that you can then share that with the people that you take care of in your life. Build it and they will come. I've been in practice for 33 years plus with my husband, Peter. I've personally, myself, introduced chiropractic to over 7,000 people, one-on-one. I get really nervous, so I really do better one-on-one. So we're going to have a conversation in a couple minutes, Peter and I, and he's going to ask me some questions. So I feel like it allows me to have a better flow, and I want you to be able to have the best of Patti so that it makes a great impact on you. Our practice highlights: we have 30 to 40% practice members under the age of 16. They don't all come in without, the kids aren't the first ones to always come in. It's usually the parents come in first, and we'll talk about that a little later and how we talk to them. Yet we do have some children. We are part of the ICPA. We're on the website, so people do call us. Yet our practice is 99.9% referral.